Today I'm going to walk you through how to write a dispute letter to the bureaus to successfully remove derogatory items off of your credit report. I'm going to break it down for you to make it as easy as possible to get these letters out. If you have not watched this video right here, please make sure to watch this first. It walks you through the steps you must take before you start sending out any dispute letters, or you're going to waste your time and most items will come back as verified. All right, so we have our letter up here that you're going to want to use. On all letters to the bureaus, we need to have their address listed out. Remember, we are sending out one letter to each of the bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. We also need to have today's date and then your personal information, which will include your name, your social, birth date, and proof of residence. This info can be anywhere on the letter. I just want to give you an example of what to work off of. Remember to keep it simple. We are letting them know why you are writing this letter, what we want them to do with the letter, and what result or outcome we expect. We are simply stating, I looked at a copy of my current credit report and saw some errors that are reporting. I listed out below what exactly is wrong, what error is reporting, what item needs to be updated or removed. To make it more personal, you should say, I have been applying for homes and getting denied, or trying to get an apartment, a new job, whatever you're looking to do, and these errors reporting are bringing my scores down. You want to make it clear this is you, not a canned letter that a credit repair company is sending on your behalf. So now we want to list out the creditor, the account number, what error is reporting, and what outcome you want, meaning you want the account to be deleted or updated. After this first paragraph here, we want to list out all the derogatory items that are reporting to what specific bureau, one after another. Then we will close it out with, please investigate these items and update or delete due to the errors I found on my credit report. If you do not agree, please send me proof and documentation why you did not follow my directions. Thank you, and attach a photo of your driver's license, your social, and proof of residence. The credit bureaus have 30 days to reach out to those specific creditors, investigate, and then send back those responses to you. So send out your letters. Wait 30 days and track your progress of what was deleted, updated, or removed. I want to show you how simple it is to write these letters. You do not need fancy letters or jargon written out to get results when working on your credit. The more simple it is, the better. I go over how to read these results and what to do next in part 2 of my credit disputing series, which is this video right here. Once again, my name is Ari Gruman, and below in the description of this video is some information on my DIY credit repair program, where I teach you how to fix your credit on your own, including all the letters, guidance, and support that you need to fix your credit in the most affordable and efficient way possible. So click the link below for more information. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.